This channel is basically for the structural design engineers and students like MTech and BTech civil students, architects, site engineers, contractors having interest in analysis and design of the building. As we all know that the manual calculation for the structure elements like beams, slabs, column, footing, water tanks, staircases takes too much time, right? And it's a very tedious job also. Hence, by this channel, that is Civil Smart, we makes it very easy, quick and simple way to design each and every design members of RCC element through these spreadsheet with a detailed explanation in videos on the analysis, design and detailing of each and RCC member. Like we have created a playlist, like in actual footing sheets we have 21 spreadsheets are there, different. In RCC water tank we have design, staircases design spreadsheet, wall design spreadsheet, different types of wall design, slab design we have 8 numbers of spreadsheets are there, column design all types of columns are there, G+1 residential project and live project we have done. So these spreadsheets saves a lot of time and engineers and increase their knowledge by visual diagrams like SFD, PMD and shear checks and deflection checks, clear detailing of the members based on our IES code, that is 456-2000. Hence I recommend you to go through my channel, my videos and use this spreadsheet to make design easy and quick, right? And if you want these spreadsheets you can get through the link in the description box by paying a nominal fee, right? So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it